Hey, Itsuki, what's that sound some cars make when they let off the gas?
You've asked the sacred question, Takumi. That sound is pure car guy music. It's called the turbo flutter.
Yeah, but what actually causes it? Is it the turbo doing something special?
Not exactly. It's kind of a side effect. The turbo flutter is actually a minor compressor surge. When you suddenly let off the gas, the throttle plate shuts, but the turbo's still spinning and pushing air in. That air bounces back off the closed throttle plate and back into the turbo, making that fluttering sound.
So it's just trapped air punching around the turbo?
Exactly.
Isn't that, I don't know, bad for the turbo?
Technically, yes. It puts a stress on turbo over time. That's why most turbocharged cars come with a bypass valve that redirects the excess air back into the intake, keeping things quiet and non-friendly. However, some car enthusiasts install a blow-off valve before the throttle plate, allowing the excess air to vent into the atmosphere and create that sound.
So bypass valve equals no sound, blow-off valve gives the sound, add nothing, and you get the sound?
Jackpot!
I think I prefer the bypass valve then.
Takumi! You idiot!